Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. One of the first things, not the only thing and not the first thing, but one of the first things that I talk about with my clients is let's pretend you had the perfect audience in front of you, the perfect set of clients, potential clients, referral sources. What would you, if you didn't have to worry about all of the ethics rules, which of course we do, so just play along with me here for a second. If you didn't have to worry about all of the ethics rules about being self-laudatory, what would you want them to know about you without a doubt? What would you want them to understand about the way that you do business, what your personality is like, what you know, what you are great at? And then let's have a conversation about that. Do people know that? And if not, why? Are you hoping that they'll just figure it out, or that they just hear it from someone else, or they'll trip upon a comment that you make somewhere? Or are you being deliberate about making sure that they understand those things about you? Now, of course, as I mentioned before, we have to worry about ethics rules, so we don't just blatantly say things without a plan and without giving it some thought. But I just want to plant that seed with you because we all need to give that adequate thought if we expect for people to understand what it is we do and why we're special and why they might want to do business with us. All right, let me know if you have any questions. You can contact me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. And you can find all of my podcasts. I have two of them, Legal Marketing Minutes, which is always under 10 minutes, and this one, Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast as well. So let me know if you have any questions, but you can find all of my podcasts at myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, you take care. Do people really know what it is you do for a living, what you're good at, and what you're like to do business with? Let's give that some thought. Let me help you if you need it. All right, take care. Bye-bye.